So, DO 150, the security guard, Ms. Julie Dicep, and have passed the physical and neuropsychiatric examination and drug test required by the PNP for employment and for continued employment. So, sabi ko sa inyo, pagkapit nyo lagyan ang inyong employment contract na provision that he is going to accept a random drug testing. Kabalo naman po siguro sa requirements sa drug, no? Drug na dapat na. So, pa ito, first test and second test, na? So, ito pa, regarding provisionary employment, sabi natin 6 months. But in this case of Mariwasa versus Gilberto decided on January 26, 1989, the provisionary employment was extended upon the request of the client. Dapat i-extend ninyo ang iyong provisionary employment, there must be an extension. Huh?